Hi everybody, I'm Anthony with Table It, and this is going to be my new YouTube channel. I'm going to use this channel to show you how I build custom furniture. We're going to go over tips and tricks, all of the tools I use, the thinking process that goes behind some of this custom furniture, and trying to make it as entertaining and educational as possible. Hope you enjoy because it's something I've been wanting to do for a long time, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks.
All right, for my first video, I'm going to show you how to bend wood using a technique called bent lamination. Start off here by making the bending form using this computerized router called the Shaper Origin. Basically one of my more expensive toys in the shop. Some call it a tool. That's how it looks when it's done. Next up, I have to go through and slice the wood into little thin strips so I can bend them easier since I don't feel like straining my back. Next step, I'm going to have to clean up the saw marks left by the bandsaw. Leaves them pretty jagged, so I'm going to do that using the planer. Once the wood runs through this, it should leave it nice and smooth. No jagged edges. That red tab there will show you how much you're going to remove off of the face of the lumber. And this is the process. Basically feeds itself through, shaves the top, makes a surface nice and flat so it's much easier to glue together. Time for glue up. This is the one part of the process you want to really get it right. You really have one shot at this. So I have everything set out, ready to go. All I have to do is roll on the glue, take the boards, sandwich them together, and feed them into the form. I basically push it into the other side. That holds it in place. Clamps are there. Everything is looking good. And I even out the sides of it so be minimal fixing later on. Easy peasy. Well, that didn't work out so well, but hey, I got spares. And wrong spare, but this one will do the trick. All right. Do that a couple more times. Get it in there nice and tight and let it sit until it's the glue dries and will be golden. After I let it sit for about 24 hours, I trim the edges at the table saw, just enough to get them nice and even. I know this looks sketchy, but I assure you, I am a professional. And this is how it looks when it's installed on the table. Thanks for watching.